sky. Rivers running clear and free, where hummingbird them fly. From Negro sands to Portland shores, this beauty nothing hide. This land our ancestors did build, we wear it like our pride.
Protect we from the darkness, from the ones who wish us harm, from screens that steal our innocence, from predators' alarm.
We're little but we're mighty, we deserve a chance to grow in safety and in dignity. This much the whole world knows. Jamaica, future home, these shores and rivers are we own. Let we run free by the sea. This land will always shelter we. Tomorrow belong to we hand. The youth them will heal this land. So guard we well through night and day. Jamaica, hear the children say.
No hurt we with your anger, no bruise we with your pain, no fill we minds with hatred, not drown we soul in shame. We deserve to feel the sunshine without fear inside we heart. We deserve to trust the ones who raised we from the start.
The coral reefs are crying, the mangroves disappear. If we no save them now, then what we leave for picnic here?
Teach we how to plant the seed and tend the sacred ground, so generations after us will know what we have found. Jamaica, we future home.
These shores and rivers are we own. Let we run free by the sea. This land will always shelter we. Tomorrow belongs to we hand. The youth them will heal this land. So guard we well through night and day. Jamaica, hear the children say. Can the picnic reach the beach?
Not just the rich,
Can we swim in the stream?
river water clean and pristine.
Who will speak when we know her?
We voice rise up,
Spread the word. Technology a come, but make it serve and no enslave. Don't let machine decide for we who worthy fi be saved.
artificial intelligence must have a human heart, or else the future where we build will tear the youth apart.
We are the doctors, teachers, leaders yet to stand. The architects of justice with the power in we end. So build we up with kindness, nourish we with love, and watch Jamaica flourish like the stars that shine above. Jamaica, we future home. These shores and rivers are we own. Let we run free by the sea. This land will always shelter we. Tomorrow belong to we and the youth that will heal this land. So guard we well through night and day. Jamaica, hear the children say. We are Jamaica's tomorrow, and we will be ready.